Okay, my dear students, before class I explained already how to form the differential equation when the given curve is given. Okay, before class I already explained the exercise problems 1 to 5. Now we are going to the next question, that is sixth question. Now you form the differential equation. That means here in this one theoretical problems was given. First we will frame the means curve means solution after the differentiate. Okay, my dear students. First, read the question carefully. First, form the equation. After that, how many arbitrary constants are there? In that, suppose one arbitrary constant is there, we will do one-time differentiation. Okay, by using differentiation. Okay, my dear students. Now, here read the question carefully. Form the differential equation means you will find the differential equation of the family of circles. What are the circles going on? Touching the y-axis at origin. Okay, you know idea about this one. Suppose here x-axis y-axis touching the y-axis at the origin, form the differential equation of the family means 100% touching only. Here it said this side, whatever maybe we will take this one. Here in this way we will take this one family of circle. Okay, so many circles are there, every circle touching the y-axis at the origin. Here center, whenever the circle touching the y-axis means center 100% lies on here center. Suppose center of the circle. To find the equation of circle, family of circles, first given clearly question family of circles here. To find the family of circles, whenever it is a circle means it have 100% center and radius. But suppose from here to here we don't know, but the radius is a. What about center? Center is a comma 0. Center is there, radius is there. You know the formula. For suppose center h comma k and radius is for suppose a. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. You know the formula? Yeah, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, here h comma k, a comma 0 means x minus a whole square, k value 0, y square is equal to r square means that is a square. Okay, this is the circle, family of circles of touching the y-axis. That's why now the family of circles touching the y-axis at origin is, what happened this one? This is the formula. What is the formula? X minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Already clearly I explained this here. Now expand this one. X square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square is equal to a square. Here a square cancel. What happened this one? X square plus y square is equal to 2ax. Okay, my dear student, this is equation. In this one, observe that x is independent variable, y is dependent. Other than one is, this is a. A is the parameter. Okay, how many times we will differentiate? Only one time. Okay. Now we remove. Our goal is we remove the arbitrary constant. Now one differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y into y dash is equal to 2ax derivative is 2a. Okay, my dear students, here 100% from this one 2a value. This 2a value substitute here, you will get the answer. This value substitute in 1. Okay, now x square plus y square is equal to 2a. What is the 2a? Here 2ax, x into 2a. 2a means 2x plus 2y, y dash, my dear students. Now removable. Okay, now x square plus y square is equal to 2x square plus 2xy, y dash. Now this side, what happened this one? X square, 2x square minus x square plus 2xy, y dash minus y square is equal to 0. In this way, we will form the differential equations. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Okay, my dear students, read the question. You know very well. I means I taught in the means class 11. I explained each and every one, conic section, parabola types, ellipse, hyperbola types. I already explained. Okay. Now please read the question and go through that one. Okay. Once again I am explaining. No problem at all. Form the differential equation of the family of parabolas. Parabola, you know that how many types of parabola there in class 11. Y square equal 4x, y square equal minus 4x, x square equal 4ay, x square equal minus 4ay, my dear students. Here clearly is given. Now vertex is given. Vertex is at origin. Now we will take the 100% here in this way. This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, my dear students. Vertex at the origin. Vertex indicated by a, my dear students. And the axis along the y axis. Axis along the y axis means here. This is the axis. What is the meaning of the axis means? The line passing through the vertex and the focus. 100% this is AS is the axis. Now he will take here in this way. This one. Axis along the y-axis means this one. What the type is going on? Here totally symmetric on y-axis. Symmetric on y-axis means 100% the x power is even. Means this is x square equal 4ay. Okay, my dear friends, that is curve. X square equal 4, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable, a is the arbitrary constants. Okay, my dear friends. Now, what is going on? The family of parabolas having vertex at origin. Don't by heart, here is there, and axis along y-axis is, what is the formula? X square equal 4ay. In the right is the bracket a. A is the arbitrary constant. This is equation number 1. How many times? Only one time. One differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. 4a into y derivative is y dash. Okay. From this one, we will find the value of 4a. Now here 4a is equal to 2x by y dash. Substituting 1. What happened? That equal x square equal to 4a. 4a value 2x by y dash into y. Okay, my dear friends. Here 100% 1x cancel. Okay, my dear friends. What happened this one? Cross multiplication. X y dash is equal to 2y. Now x y dash minus 2y is equal to 0. This is final answer, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, listen carefully. Form the differential equation of the family of ellipse having 4c on y-axis and center at the origin. Means 100%. You know very well ellipse. Okay, means before class application of integrals also I explained lot of problems on the ellipse. Here clearly is given. This is 4c on y-axis means here 4c. This is center 100% at the origin. 4c here. Now the ellipse is going on in this way. No problem at all. Here this is called major axis, this is called minor axis. No problem. What is the equation of the ellipse? X square. Whenever the curve here in this way, this is also same. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal 1. Which in this one, a greater than b. The 4c on x-axis means a value is more than the b value. Here 4c on y-axis means should b value is more. Okay. Now the family of ellipse having 4c on y-axis and center at origin is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. In the bracket you write a less than b type. Means in this one b, whenever b value means this is the minor axis means this is b, actually this is a, this is more. Okay, my dear students, in this way, simple. Okay, now how many times we will differentiate? 100%. 2 times we will differentiate, my dear students. Why? Where a comma b are the arbitrary constants. Okay, now this is equation 1. 1 differentiate with respect to x. What happened? This is 2x by a square plus 2y into y dash by b square is equal to 0. Here 2 taken common. What happened? X by a square plus y dash by b square is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Again 2 differentiate with respect to x, my dear students. Now this is 1 by a square x derivative 1 by a square, uv method my dear students, y into y dash derivative y double dash plus y dash into y derivative y dash means y dash square by b square is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. I hope that you understood not. To remove the 1 by a square 1 by b square by using the determinant method, yesterday class I explained already. Okay, to remove, okay, 1 by a square comma 1 by b square by using matrix determinant method. Okay, my dear students, how to determinant of first here 1 by a square coefficient x square, 1 by b square coefficient y square, constant this side is minus 1. Next 1 by a square coefficient is x, 1 by b square coefficient is y dash, constant is 0. Okay, next 1 by a square coefficient is 1, 1 by b square coefficient is y double dash plus y dash square. Okay, now constant is 0, that is equal 0. Now we will expand the determinant any row or any column. Now I will expand the determinant along the C3. Okay, now along C3 we will expand. What happened here? Minus 1 into, okay, so after that 0 and something 0, 0 and something 0. Now what happened? Minus 1 into this row cancel. Now x into y double dash plus y dash square AD minus BC, x into this one minus y dash is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, now this is minus 1 this side. What happened? This is x y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. In this way, okay, we will do the problems, my dear friends. This is right answer. Hope that you understood or not. Family of ellipse is given. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. What happened? This one. Form the differential equation of the family of hyperbolas. Okay, hyperbola, you know the hyperbola, how it is there. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now this is centered at the origin. Okay, no problem. Here foci on x, this is s, this is s dash. Now the 100% the parabola here, that means hyperbola is in this way. What is the equation of the hyperbola? Here x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, for suppose on y-axis, for suppose is given. Now we write y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1, my dear students. Okay, on y-axis, foci on y-axis means we will take this one. On x-axis means this one, my dear students. Now what happened? The answer is going on. The family of hyperbola having foci on x-axis and center at origin is, what happened here? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now this is equation number 1. Okay, no problem at all. We will do determinant method, or in this way also we will do. Okay, now 2x by a square minus 2y into y dash by b square is equal to 0. Now x by a square minus y dash by b square is equal to 0. From this one you can find any one. Observe that another method, not determinant method. Okay, okay, observe that x by a square is equal to y dash by b square is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, here b square by a square is equal to, okay, my dear student, this is this side, this is y dash by x is equal to b square by a square. You have any doubt? y dash by x, okay, that equal, sorry, y dash by x means here x is this side, b square by a square. Okay, no problem at all. X by a square. Okay, this is equation number 2. Y dash by x. Now differentiating with respect to x again. 2 differentiate with respect to x here u by v method. First x into this derivative 100% uv method, y into y double dash plus y dash square minus y dash into x derivative is 1 by x square is equal to 0, my dear students. B square by square is totally constant, that is equal to 0. Okay, now cross multiplication 0. Now multiply here x into means here only. Okay, my dear students, up to this one only. Okay, x into y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. The same answer before and this one is the same answer. I hope that. Okay, x y dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. In this way we will do the problems, my dear students. Simple. Before is the determinant method, without determinant method we will do in this way. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. Form the differential equation of the family of circles having the center on y-axis and radius is 300. Center on y-axis only, not touching the x-axis. Okay. Here center on the y-axis means here you will take. This is center. Radius is clearly is given. This is 3. Center on y-axis means x coordinate must be 0. 0 comma center. You don't know the radius. Okay. For suppose here touching means 3. This is a. Now center is h comma k. H comma k is 0 comma a. For suppose center is y, you will take the center 0 comma a means this is lies on y-axis. Okay. Radius is equal to 3. What is the equation of circle? X minus h whole square means x square plus y minus k means y minus a whole square is equal to 3 square. 3 square means 9. What the circle equation is that one? Where is a is the arbitrary constant, my dear students. Now what is the going on? The family of circles having center on y-axis and radius 3 units is x square plus y minus a whole square is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. 1 differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 2 into y minus a into y dash is equal to 0. From this one y minus a will find. Okay, 2 common. X plus y minus a into y dash is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, from this one y minus a is equal to what happened? Plus x this side minus x by y dash. Minus x by y dash. I hope that you understood or not? Yes, minus x by y dash. Now again you will differentiate. Okay. How many times? Only one time you will differentiate. Okay, my dear students. Not second time. Substitute in 1. X square plus y minus a whole square. X square by y dash square is equal to 9. Now cross multiplication. X square y dash square plus x square is equal to 9 y dash square. Okay, my dear students. What happened? Here y dash square is there. That is x square minus 9 into y dash square plus x square is equal to 0. In this way we will complete the problems. I hope that you understood all the problems or not. Yes. Now differentiate. This is where C1, C2 are the arbitrary constants. This is equation number 1. 1 differentiate with respect to x, my dear students. What happened? Y dash is equal C1 into e power x plus C2 into e power minus x into minus 1, my dear students. Y dash is equal C1 into e power x minus C2 into e power minus x. This is equation number 2. 2 differentiate with respect to x. Y double dash is equal C1 into e power x minus C2 into e power minus x into minus 1 is equal C1 into e power x minus into minus plus C2 into e power minus x. This is 100% y. Now y dash minus y. Y dash minus y is equal to 0. What about the option? Y double dash minus y means option B is the correct. Therefore option B is correct. Okay, my dear students. Now, which of the following differential equation has y is equal to x as one of its particular solution? Y is equal to x as one of its particular solution. Means we will find the differential equation actually. Y is equal to x is given. Every option is second order derivative. Now, dy by dx is equal to 1. That implies d square y by dx square must and should 0. Now, we will take the first option, substitute. What the first option is going on? D square y by dx square minus x square into dy by dx plus xy is equal to x. Satisfied or not? Now substitute. D square by x square 0 minus x square plus x into y. Y is x, means x square is equal to x. 0 equal to x possible? Not possible. This is not. Okay. Next, second option. Second option also not possible. Plus is there, it is not. You check the third option. What the third option? D square y by dx square minus x square into dy by dx plus xy is equal to 0. This is 0 minus x square into 1 plus x into x. Now minus x square plus x square is equal to 0. Now 0 equal to 0. Now the third option is the correct option, my dear friends. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Before I upload the one video of the formation of the differential equation, first watch that one. After that, you will see this one. Okay, my dear friends. Now tomorrow class I will explain the methods of the differential equations, means solving the differential first order first degree differential equation, how to solve the differential equations. Tomorrow class I will explain. Thank you one and all, my dear friends.